Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you guys this Roomba robot. As you can see, it works really well. We had been using this close to 4 years now, and as you can see, it works really well. It makes sure that it goes all the way. Each corner, as you can see now, it touches on the leg of the sofa, and it's gonna turn around and make sure it just goes over everything, clean up every corner of it, and wherever it can go it will just go and make sure it turns around and clean it up. This works really well, especially underneath the couch or bed. This would be really nice. It keeps everything clean, no dust underneath, and it works well on the hardwood floor and on the rug. As you can see, it has left some track, and it just kept everything clean. You can see here it goes and it just makes sure every part of the room is clean. As soon as something goes on its way, it's gonna just do that, try to see if it can go anywhere, and it will just make sure go around and clean wherever it's possible. So here you can see it's just gonna work around and get into places. So this one has its own dust removal bin. It has its own unit. It's whenever it feels it's full, it's gonna go and empty uh, the dust bin. Here you can press the button. Right now I set it with the child lock. I have small kids and they were playing with it. From the application you can set it, and whenever somebody press it will not do anything, but you can disable that, and once you press those buttons it will just head back to the station. I will show you guys how it empty out. And right now I send a command to go back to home. Now it's looking for the base, and as you can see there is obstacle on its way to the base. It's gonna make sure it's walk around, and as you can see the base is over there. Now it's here. As soon as it sees the lights, I think if there are some infrared lights, it will go through it and it will duck by itself and it will empty the dustbin. So here it recognizes, and where it is going to duck, and it has really powerful suction. Like you will hear it very loud and it just empty out. And you can see now it's almost ducking, and whenever it's there you will see. As you can see it just emptied out, and somehow if it's not able to empty it on the first try, it will do the same action again. If it still feels there is something inside, it will just run it again and empty it out. This is how it take care of the dust. So here we have this dustbin here. Once you open this from here, once it comes connect here, it just, there is some rubber piece, it just opens up and it just take out all the dust whatever inside. You can see, let's see if I can open this. Here as you can see, this is the container for the dust, and it just took out everything. And once, if you don't have the base, you would just empty with this by hand, but with this one here it has the dustbin, dust collector. Once it's full you will just pull this up, and it has nice plastic part, covers the hole so accidentally you don't spill out anything. So this the bag lasts really long time, and it can go fully like stuffed and you don't have to really change it. And once it's it's time for the change, it will tell you you need to replace the dust bag as well. So I hope this video helped you guys. I know this was a little bit long, but I wanted to show everything as I could. And also, like, cleaning off this part is really easy before we go. So you would just open this. If something got stuck, you can easily pull this out and just clean up, put it back. And if something wrong, the application tell you. And this also talks, says like something got stuck, you need to remove the brush and take it out. So thank you for watching, guys.